Look! Ow! Go!
Go help him, Hayden.
That one's not away.
Get ready.
Go help Poppy get another one. He needs your help.
I'm sorry. We want to live.
Look, there. That when you hit that tree, they all flew that way.